Okay, I'm gonna make my rendition of a Subway turkey turkey combo, I guess is what you call it. So I've already cut my veggies, and we're gonna see if I can recreate this thing. I was going to Subway spending $10 or $7, almost $8, and then I get a drink, unsweet tea, and it was like $10. So I was like, okay. So I went to Kroger to the store and bought all the ingredients, and it was like $45. And the only problem I see is this bread is 110 calories, um, and Um, I'm not sure exactly how many calories are in this thing. So, um, yeah, those two pieces of bread are 210 calories. Mustard is net zero, really, and it really packs a good flavor. So, I like to put mustard on, um, not mayonnaise, too many calories, but not a lot of mustard, but enough for the flavor. Um, and you have to shake it up, otherwise you get a lot of water when you first squirt mustard. So what I've done is I've cut up all the ingredients. I bought the shredded lettuce, of course. It's just easier. Um, so I basically am going to take the sub that I buy and put everything on there that I get at Subway. Um, it's not a 12-inch, which is probably better because I'm thinking this is going to be right at 500 calories. Because if you add it up right now, I've got 210 calories. Nothing on the lettuce. Um, really nothing on the mustard. Then I'm gonna add sweet onions, which is zero on the calories, um, and then I'm gonna add. It's like red onions. I'm narrating this because I don't know why, but I didn't talk through this video, so I'm narrating it and gonna add the sound. So I'm gonna add red onions, and so far it's lettuce, sweet onions, and red onions, and then I've cut up green bell peppers, and it's really good if you like the orange bell peppers and the red bell peppers. They have a little different taste, but I've just done the green this time. Um, so do the green peppers. The only thing about this is it's hard to keep it all on the sandwich. Now I made a sandwich the next day the same way, and I cut the bread in half, which gave me 110 calories. So I'm not even sure that was 500 calories altogether. Um, and it's not easy cutting bread in half, let me tell you. So, um, but I did it, and it worked. But it was kind of messy to eat. But here, I love the banana peppers. It gives a lot of flavor. You have the mustard for flavor, the onions, the banana peppers, and then you add pickles, and you're adding just a couple calories. So that right there is like a salad. Um, and then here's the pickles, which is like no calories. I think banana peppers is five calories for 13 or 12 of them, and you only use like two or three. So you're talking two couple calories. Um, and then uh, and then add the pickles. So you have a sweet, sour. Then your mustard has flavor. Your onions has flavor. Green peppers, everything has flavor. So it's really nice, a really nice flavor for a sandwich. And then eat. This is turkey breast, um, baked turkey breast from Kroger from the deli, which is not real cheap. That's probably what did it. I could have just probably bought it out of the pack, but I'm not sure what the calories are on this. But I just add like two slices, or maybe a slice and a half, So I'm pretty sure this is right at 500 calories, or maybe a little bit less. And the turkey's not going to really hurt anything because that's your protein. So this is my sub, and I made a mistake of cutting it in half. And next time I would not cut it in half because it makes it more messy to eat. A whole piece of whole. I think I cut this one in half. Um, but so yeah, I cut it in half right here. So yeah, I cut it in half, and then it gets a little bit messy when you have it that small. But It looks good, and it tastes really, really good. And I know it's about 500 calories, but this is all you can eat for the day. So what you can do is you can eat half of one of those for lunch, and then eat the other half for dinner. Um, and like I said, I've kind of made this diet my own. Um, so there it is. There's your. Now what I did do is I forgot the tomatoes. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna add tomatoes to this because I forgot the tomatoes. But anyway, that's my rendition of a Southwest, or I mean not a Southwest, but a McDonald's turkey sub. So I put exactly the same thing on it. Cost me like $45, and I'm probably going to get 10 or 15 out of there. Probably 15 of them out of it. So anyway, it's a good deal. It saves me a lot of money, and I cut my veggies really, really thin. So anyway, here I'm gonna come back, put it back out, and put the tomatoes on it, which that really adds a lot of juice. So it makes it makes it really messy more than anything when you put the tomatoes on it. So yeah, I'm like, oh, hang on, I forgot the tomatoes, dummy. Put the tomatoes on it, and then we'll take another picture, because you can't do it without putting tomatoes on it, because tomatoes make the sandwich. So yeah, it's like, okay, cool. So anyway, there it is. There's my rendition of a Subway cold cut. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I will talk to you later.